Hi, hello, welcome to our channel. How are you all? And today's video 10th class mathematics. In this video I am going to explain you exercise 1.1. I have already explained the introduction of this chapter in the previous video. If anyone hasn't watched it, please watch that video first. You will be able to understand and complete this exercise only after that, okay? Now let's start the class. So exercise 1.1, first bit. Use Euclid's algorithm to find the HCF of 90270, 196 and 38,220 and 1651, 2032. So we can do first one, 900 and 270. So what is given? Use Euclid's algorithm. So what is the Euclid algorithm formula? That is question, this one, 900 and 271. So Euclid algorithm formula is A equal to BQ plus R. Okay. So we can do division first. What is the numbers? 270. This is the divisor. 900. This is the dividend. So how many times 270? The 3 is 273 is 810. So now subtraction, 900 minus 810. So 90. This is the remainder, 90, and this one is quotient. So 90 is there. Again we can use, this is the divisor. Next, this number is dividend, 270. This is the continuous division method. So 19 how many times multiplied 270? 93 are 19 3s are 270. So 270 minus 270 is the remainder is 0. So this is the remainder and this is the quotient. So what is the HCF? HCF is the last divisor. What is the last divisor? The last divisor is 90. This is the last divisor. This one also divisor, but this is the last divisor because remainder is 0. So 900 and 270 is the HCF. HCF is equal to 90. Okay, understood? Next, second question. So we can do continuous division method. So 196, this is the divisor. 38,220, this is the dividend. So how many times? 196 ones are 196. So subtraction 6 8 1. So next number 2, 1862. So 186 how many times multiplied? 196 9 are 1764. So again subtraction 9 8. Next 0 is right here, 980. So 196 5s are 980. Okay, subtraction 980 minus 980 is 0. So this is the remainder. So remainder is 0. So which divisor that? 196. Okay, this is the HCF. So we can write here, therefore 196 is the HCF. 196 is the HCF of 196. And how much the number? That given number 38,220. Okay, understood? This is the answer. HCF is 196. Okay, next one. So third question, 1651 and 2032. So we can do continuous division method. 1651, this is the divisor. 2032, this one is dividend. So how many times multiplied? So, one time 1652, sorry, 51. Now what can do? This subtraction, 2032 minus 1651, subtraction, we can find 381. Okay, again do this one. This is the division, actually this is the remainder. Now we can, what can do? This is the divisor and this one is dividend, 1651. So this is the continuous division method. We can continue the division. So how many times we can multiply 381? 4 1524. Now subtraction, what can we get? So 127. Okay, 127. Next, what is the divisor here? 381. 381. 127. How many times? 3 times. 127 into 3. 381. So remainder is 0. Is it clear? So this is the continuous divisor. That is how many is 127. So this is the HCF. So the HCF 127 is the HCF. Okay, this is the answer. Is it clear? Okay, next second question. Use division algorithm show that any positive odd integers is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5, where q is some integer. So we can find this second question. First, what is the given? Use division algorithm. So division algorithm means Euclid algorithm. What is the formula? A is equal to BQ plus R. This is the Euclid algorithm formula. Let's A be an odd positive number. What is the given integration? Any positive odd integers. So odd positive integers. So A be a, let's A be an odd positive integers. Positive integer. So let us now apply division algorithm in A and B. Okay, now B, what is the B in the question? B is equal to B value given in the question. What is that? That is 6. Okay, 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 5 is given that. So what is the division? Possible division. Possible reminders in 6. What is the possible reminders? That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, understood? 6తో మనం డివిజన్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏదైనా నెంబర్ని 6తో డివిజన్ చేస్తే మనకి రిమైండర్స్ ఏవి రావచ్చు అంటే 6 కన్నా తక్కువ వస్తాయి రిమైండర్స్. ఏ నెంబర్ అయినా కానీ ఆ నెంబర్తో డివిజన్ చేస్తే మనకు రిమైండర్స్ వచ్చే చాయిసెస్ ఆ నెంబర్ కన్నా తక్కువ ఉంటాయి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద పాసిబుల్ ఇంటిజర్స్, 6 కన్నా తక్కువ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వీ కెన్ టేక్ వన్ నెంబర్ దట్ ఈస్ 13. Okay, 6 table, 6 2s are 12. So remainder is 1. Okay, we can take 14. 6 table, 6 2s are 12. So remainder is 2. సో అండర్స్టాండ్ 8 మనము 6 కన్నా 6 6 30. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 6 టేబుల్లో ఇప్పుడు 18 వస్తుంది కదా 6 టేబుల్లో 6 3s 18. So 18 minus 18 0. 0 is the possible remainder. Again 18 before number 17 I will take 17 6. So 6 2s are 12. So 12 17 minus 12 how much? 5. So this is the remainder. So we can observe that clearly. We can understand what is that 0 1 2 6. This is the possible remainders. 6 less than numbers. Okay, we can understood all of you. So we can apply Euclid algorithm. So 6 b is equal to 6. In this formula b is equal to 6. So 6q plus r means remainder. Remainder how much? Possible remainders, what is that? 0 1 2 3 4 5. So we can write 0. Next I can write 6q plus 1. Next 6q plus 2. 6q plus 3. 6q plus 4. 6q plus 5. Enough. This is the possible remainders. But what is the given in the question? Any positive odd integers, not even integers. So this is the even number and this is also even number. This is also even number. But question given also given what is that? Only odd numbers. So we can prove that odd number, what is that? 6q plus 1 and 6q plus 3 and next one 6q plus 5. Okay, this is proved. Okay, is it clear? Next third question. Use division algorithm to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form pq or 3p or 3p plus 1. Okay, so third question answer, what is that? Let a be the square of an integer. This is the given in the question. So applying Euclid algorithm, applying Euclid's division lemma, Euclid algorithm, what is the formula? A equal to bq plus r. So b equal to, given in the question, what is that? 3. So in the question b is equal to 3. So what is the possible remainders? 3 before numbers, 3 less than numbers, that is 0 1 2. Only 3 numbers we can possible reminders. Okay, 0 1 3. So we will write now what is that? In the question given 3q. This is the b. 3q plus remainder how much? 0. Next 3q plus next remainder 1. Next 3q plus next remainder 2. Okay, q is the, this is the quotient, q is the quotient. Okay, next. So we can observe in the question, what is the given? The square of any positive integer. So squares. So this is the positive, this is the possible reminders. So 0 square is equal to 0. Okay, 1 square is equal to 1. Next 2 square is equal to how much? 4. But this is the not possible remainder. This is the remainder in 3. Okay, what is the remainder? Possible remainders 3 in the 3 number. This is less than 3. So this is not, this is the not possible square root. Okay, we can write only 3q plus 0. That means 3q and 3q plus 1. These two are possible integers and this is the proved. Okay, next question. So next question, fourth one. Use division algorithm to show that the cube of any positive integers is of the form 9m 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay. So we can write first Euclid lemma. That is the formula A is equal to B cube plus R. What is the given in the question? 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. M means quotient. So this is the remainder. So what is the given in the question? The cube of any positive integers. Cube. So we can write positive reminders. What is the possible reminders in 9? Possible reminders is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means less than 9. Okay, this is the possible reminders. 9 తో డివిజన్ ఏ నెంబర్నైనా 9 తో డివిజన్ చేస్తే మనకి రిమైండర్స్ ఈ నెంబర్స్ మాత్రమే వచ్చే చాయిసెస్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, 9 కన్నా బిగ్గెస్ట్ నెంబర్ రాదు, 9 లెస్ దెన్ నెంబర్సే వస్తాయి అన్నమాట. So these are possible reminders. So what can we do now? We can apply in Euclid algorithm 9m plus remainder. Remainder means first we can put 0. R is equal to, here right, R is equal to 0. 9m plus 0. So cube, what is the given in the question? Cube of any positive integer. So 0 cube is equal to 0. So 9m. The answer is 9m. Next, R is equal to, we can put 1. R is equal to 1. So 9m plus 1 cube. 1 cube means 1. So answer is 9m plus 1. This is also proved and this is also proved. Next one, we can take R is equal to, next another, what is the 2. So R is equal to 9m plus 1, sorry, 9m plus 2 cube. 2 cube means how much? 9m plus 2 cube means 8. So 9m plus 8 also proved. This three numbers is given in the question. Okay, next we can prove, or we can take R is equal to, next number 3. R is equal to 3. We can put here in the formula 9m plus 3 cube. How much it is? 3 cube means 9m plus 3 cube means how much? 27. This is the not possible remainder. Okay, possible remainders only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 0. Okay, next number, what is that? 4. We can take 4. R is equal, we can take 4, put in this formula 9m plus 4 cube. Okay, 4 cube means how much? 9m plus 4 cube means 63. So this is also not remainder, not possible remainder. So next, R is equal to, next one, 5 is equal to 5. We can take and 9m plus, substitute the formula 9m plus 5 cube. 5 cube means 125. So 125. This is also not possible remainder. So next, R is equal to 6. We can take 6, this number. 7, 8 also we can take. So R is equal to 6. We can put the formula 9m plus 6 cube. 6 cube means how much? 6 cube 216. So this is also not possible remainder. Next, R is equal to 7. We can take 7. So substitute the formula 9m plus 7 cube. 7 cube means 243. This is also not possible remainder. So we can take another number. R is equal to 8. 9m plus 8 cube. 8 cube means 512. So this is also not possible remainder in 9. So possible remainders only we can come 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will observe that only 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. R is equal to 0, R is equal to 1, R is equal to 2. So this is the possible remainders and this is proved. Okay, 9m plus, this is the given the question. What is the proved? What is the question? Use division algorithm to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form. This is one 9m proved, and next 9m plus 1 is proved. Next 9m plus 8 are proved. Okay, next question. Next, fifth question. Show that one and only one out of n plus 2 or n plus 4 is divisible by 3, where n is any positive integer. N means q plus quotient plus remainder. Okay, you can do that. So what is the Euclid lemma? A is equal to bq plus r. So what is the given in the question? This is a equal to n is equal to bq plus r. So this is the given in the question. And what is the possibility? What is the given? n plus 2 n plus 4 is divisible by 3. So b equal to 3. This is the b means divisor. So this is the quotient, this is the remainder. So b is equal to 3. This is given in the question. Okay, now b is the 3. Now n is equal to 3q. You can apply in this formula 3q plus r. Okay, n is equal to 3q plus r. So b is equal to 3. What is the possible remainders? Less than 3. Okay, 0 1 2. This is the possible remainders. So we can put r is equal to 0 first. R is equal to 0. So n is equal to 3q plus 0. So that means 3q. N is equal to 3q. Okay, understood? Next n plus 2. This is also given in the question. We can put n is equal to 3q. So 3q plus 2. n is equal to here 3q. n place lo 3q rasanu. 3q plus 2. Okay, this is 2. What is the remainder? 2. So this is the not divisible by 3. Okay na? Next, what is the given in the question? n plus 4. This is also given in the question. So n plus 4 means n means 3q plus 4. This is also not divisible because remainder is 4. So next, r is equal to, we can put r is equal to 1. Here r is equal to 0 we can take. Now r is equal to 1. Positive integer 0 1 2. Okay, r is equal to 1. So r is equal to 1. You can take n is equal to 3q plus r means 1. 3q plus 1. Okay, n is equal to 3q plus 1. This is also not divisible. Next, n is equal n plus 2. So n means here n is equal to 3q plus 1. We can substitute in this formula. N plus, we can write 3q plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 here plus 2. n is equal to n plus లో నేను 3q plus 1 రాసాను. ఇది మొత్తం n అన్నట్టు. సో plus 2 as it is గా plus 2 రాస్తున్నా. So we can write 3q plus how much it is? 1 plus 2 3. 3q plus 3. So we can common 3. We can take common 3. So q plus 1. Here q plus 1. So this one is divisible by 3. Okay na? Next one, n plus 4. n plus 4. What is the n? n value 3q plus 1 plus 4. So 3q plus how much? 1 plus 4 5. 3q plus 5. So this is not divisible by 3. Okay, next r is equal to, we can take here, we can take 1, next here we can take 2. So r is equal to, what is that, r is equal to 3q plus 2. Okay, 3q plus 2, r is equal to, now we can substitute n plus 2, n plus 4. Okay, this 3 formulas. N is equal to 3q plus 2. We can substitute this one, n plus 3q plus 2 plus 2. So 3q plus 4 plus 4, this is not divisible by 3. Next here 3q plus 2, this is the n. So plus how much it is? So 4. Now 3q plus 2 plus 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Okay. So we can common 3 number q plus, we can write q plus 3 2s are 6. So this is divisible by 3. So we can observe here. So all above 3 cases we observe only one, either n, I will write here, n or n plus 2 or n plus 4 is divisible by 3. So we can do. Okay, is it clear? Okay, this exercise 1.1 is completed. Next chapter, exercise 1.2, we can explain next video. Okay, if you have any kind of doubts related in this exercise 1.1, please comment and I will explain the next video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.